Guys, I'm going skydiving. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Brooke. I'm in the car. I'm about to go skydiving right now. I'm so excited. Me and my dad are going. I've wanted to go literally my entire life and we're going, so I'm super pumped. So we have about an hour drive there and then we're gonna jump out the plane.
Look, what are we doing out here today?
Skydiving.
We are skydiving out of a not so perfectly good airplane if he doesn't crash the landing coming in.
I'm ready.
He's not a very good pilot. Don't tell him when you get in the plane. It hurts his confidence.
I won't say it.
You'll notice he's wearing his own parachute.
Oh.
He has very little confidence already.
Great.
No, he's a good pilot. He has survived a plane crash, so we'll be okay. I'm Terry. I'm going to be your instructor. Nice to meet you. You out here for any special occasion or just to have? Just to do it. Who did you bring out here with you?
My dad.
Your dad. Oh, have a good time. Let's go have some fun. All right. Not so perfectly good airplane. How was that?
Amazing.
Amazing. Good.
Wow.
So
fun.
First thing we're going to do is we're going to practice for landing, okay? You come in, go straight out the butt. Relax, yep. We're going to plan on sliding in our butt. Just keep lifting once I tell you to slow down. Turn around here for me. You jumped, you fell, you lived.
We did it.
Awesome job. Thank you for jumping us here at Gold Coast.
Thank you.
You ready to go again?
Yeah.
Let's go do it. Oh yes, thank you.
Guys, I'm back from skydiving. And I'm with Dad. Sorry, I'm watching TikTok. Skydiving was amazing. It was so much fun. We're about to go to haunted house with Justin, which is Destiny's husband. He's back. We love Justina. My husband's been deployed for a year. He just got back a week ago. So we're going out. It's been an eventful day for me. Lots of adrenaline. I love it.
Hey guys, she forgot her vlog camera, so we're doing it on the phone camera.
We're at a haunted house, so.
We're at the Rise. This is in Tickfall, Louisiana. My husband's here, Justin, get in the vlog. Hey, this is my husband. He's an American soldier. He fights for his country. Just joking. Just thank him for his service, y'all. Okay, so
Excuse me, hey y'all.
1 year deployment he was on.
Destiny, give her a phone.
Hi guys, it is the next morning. My hair's still kind of damp right now, but I'm just letting it air dry today. I just got back a couple minutes ago from getting an inspection sticker for my car, and then I'm about to go to a chiropractor appointment now. Okay, so I'm going to the chiropractor right now, and then I'm going shopping with my grandma, but I'm so excited. We had so much fun last night, guys, but I'll update you guys in a bit after I'm done with all my stuff. Hi guys, let me turn my radio down real quick. I'm like jamming. It's super early. I'm at the hair salon. I overslept, so that is why I look like this. I thought my hair appointment was for 9, so I set my alarm for like 7, and then I realized, no, my hair appointment's at 8. So I got up at 7, had to leave at 7:30. I threw on makeup so fast and just ran out the door. So I forgot my vlog camera, so I'm using my phone right now. So hopefully it looks okay, but I'm just gonna go get my hair touched up. The roots are really bad, but I got my bangs cut yesterday, kind of shorter. So I really like that. And then my voice is just like going out. I don't know what's going on right now. I need to wake up. I haven't even had coffee, but I'm so excited to get my hair done. Last night I forgot to finish vlogging. I got kind of sick. I don't know what happened, but my stomach was just, I had a terrible stomach ache and I went straight to bed. Maybe it was something I ate, I don't know. But I ended up going shopping with my grandma and we went to Whole Foods. We just had a really nice day together and it was super fun. And we went to Lululemon, so I'll show you guys what I got from there once I get back home. But I need to go in right now to get my hair done. Later today, I'm just gonna be hanging out with some friends today, I think. And then tonight we're going to Cena for dinner. Me and Destiny have been wanting to go there for so long, so I'm super pumped about it. So hopefully it's really good. Guys, I just got my hair done. It looks so good. Don't look at my eyebrows. I say that every time because she lightens them and then it takes all my makeup off, but I'm about to go home and fix that up. But I love my hair. It looks so good. I just got back home from the car wash and my hair appointment. You can see it a lot better now. Picked up my vlog camera. I cut these little like bangs last night. They're so cute. But just about to go and have lunch with my friend. We're gonna go to Cured on Columbia. I think that's what it's called. They just have like coffee and like soup, salad, sandwiches, stuff like that. And I've never been, so I'm super excited. It's in Covington and I love Covington. It's so pretty. But guys, it's so hot out today. I'm wearing like a mini skirt and then just this little cardigan, but I am sweating, actually sweating. Okay, I came to the gym so you could see my outfit like a little bit better, but I'm wearing this really cute mini skirt from Princess Polly. It reminds me of the 90s so much. It's so cute. And then just some sneakers. I have on this little cardigan, and then I have my little orange shoulder bag from Oh Darling that I'm gonna wear with this. But yeah, so about to head out and go grab something to eat. And guys, I need coffee really bad. I haven't had coffee today, and high key, I'm losing it. So I need to go and get coffee ASAP. Alright guys, I am back from coffee with my friend Madison. It was so good. We had lavender honey lattes, which were amazing. And I just went home and I changed, and we're going to dinner, me and Destiny and my mom. So I'm going to pick up Destiny right now. I think we're gonna go to Hobby Lobby and the party store because I need to find some stuff for my Halloween costume. So we're going to pick up Des. I have a feeling she's gonna be late, so we'll see. Guys, we just spent like 30 minutes in a line at the party store to get fairy wings. So that's that.
She's lucky, I love her.
Ooh, I thought I had that, but I didn't. All right, let me put this down so I can pay attention. Am I taking a photo of you? Guys, got the ham and Cosmo. And it's actually really good for me.
And I got,
and Destiny got
the
oh my god,
Coca-Cola.
she's so fancy.
With a glass of water.
Nice. And then my mother got Moscato. Nice. So guys, the cheese board looks phenomenal. It is 10 out of a 10 moment. 10 out of 10.
I'm gonna taste. You gonna taste?
Guys, I got the gnocchi and Des got,
like a worm.
what did Des get?
Oh, I got the bolognese,
Nice.
steak cannolis.
Very nice. And then my mother got, what'd you get? I don't know what
It was
my
an
mother got.
Italian word.
Something Italian, but it's bomb. So I'm trying out. Okay, so just got back home from Chena. Me and Destiny have been, I just dropped my ring. Hold on. Me and Destiny have been saying Chena wrong. So it's Chena, not Cena. So that's that. But the food was so freaking good. It was amazing. And I don't know, it was 10 out of 10. I had the gnocchi and we had an amazing like cheese board and a cosmopolitan. It was just super good. We went to celebrate my mom's birthday, and now I'm home, so I'm about to go take my makeup off and get ready for bed because I'm exhausted. I have to get up, I have to get up kind of early in the morning. I have a dentist appointment, so that's that. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, it's the next morning. I just left the dentist's office. I had to get my permanent retainer put back on because it popped off, so that's what I've been doing this morning. But it's kind of chilly out today and super cloudy. Looks like it's gonna storm at any second, but I just came to Courtyard Cafe. I'm about to get out. My camera just like shut off randomly, but I'm about to get out, go grab some coffee, get some work done, and then meet up with my friend Nick for lunch in just a bit. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I'll catch you guys up in just a bit.
I just opened your message saying that you're coming.
You want to be in it?
We'll do whatever you want, baby.
Just say hi. Brooke's with me. She didn't pick up the vlog camera. She's about to go to a photo shoot. Yeah. I'm excited. It's gonna be dope. Destiny's looking at me like I'm crazy. I'm wearing this vintagey 90s oversized jacket that I stole from my mother. I've got some leather pants on, the Jordans, and it's freezing out of nowhere all of a sudden. It was super hot yesterday and now it's like what? Okay, it's only 6 to 8 degrees, but it feels a lot colder than that. So yeah. You're doing that thing. Yeah, I'm doing that thing where you record for longer. I know what you're doing. I saw this meme one time and it was like when the person doesn't know when to stop recording, and now ever since then I keep recording Brooke and I don't stop until she gets uncomfortable.
I got you all figured out. You needed everyone's eyes just to feel sane. I can make up, nobody knows who you even are, who you think that you are. If I could write you a song to make you fall in love.
Guys, we're at C Senor. Des is on her phone as always, not engaging in conversation. It's fine. It's totally fine. We love that. The glow from the phone makes you look like a ghost. So, we got queso, got a marg. It's a good time. Can you Uber? We got a photo shoot with Aylin. He's so nice. He's the best ever. I'm so excited to see these photos. So, can't wait to show you guys. Guys, we got fajitas.
Hurricane Katrina, more like Hurricane Tortilla.
Please let me keep that in there. Please. It looks so bomb.
Hey guys.
Went to Home Goods. We found a couple cool things. This lighting is not it.
I found a lot of cool things.
You really did.
I did.
You did. And we got Justin a nice daiquiri to go.
Yes, that's my husband.
Yeah.
They all didn't know.
Good morning, guys. So it's Friday. I decided to stay an extra day in Louisiana to hang out with my friends and family. Not mad about it. It's so cold today here. I'm so excited. So I'm like bundled up. I only packed like warmer-ish clothes. No, like clothes for warmer weather. So I'm just like layering up with things that I brought. But I'm picking up Destiny right now. We're going to brunch with our friend Miranda and Nick. I'm so excited to try out this new place that is in Hammond. Miranda said it's everything. They have mimosas there, so super excited. And then me and Destiny are gonna go to Oh Darling and do some shopping. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'm just waiting on her right now. So let's try to get her out of the house.
How rude.
Yeah, it's 2 short hash rolls. One with pico.
What?
Alright, tearing into shit. Y'all can take pictures, but
Hi.
Nick got the Bayrito. Brooke got the Bayrito. Me and Miranda got the hash brown bowls. Me and Miranda are completely full. Where is this tiny little girl putting all of this food? Where is it?
I don't know.
She ate just as much as Nick, and like, where is it?
Guys, we came to get coffee and try out this place. We keep hearing about it. It's so good. I'm so excited to eat that. And then we got a pumpkin, was it pumpkin pie or pumpkin spice?
Pumpkin patch.
Oh, pumpkin patch coffee. So mine has oat milk, and Destiny, she got the one with the whipped cream, and it's so pretty looking. And I cannot wait to get into this. 10 out of 10 is what it looks like.
There's one piece left. Brooke's gonna eat it.
I am gonna eat it.
Here, Brooke, eat it.
There's 2 pieces.
Good seeing you.
Delicious, delicious.
Miranda lost it. I can't.
Miranda. Okay, I won't deny.
Was that on mid?
Guys, we're going to my favorite place. Hi guys, we're back. We went to another Home Goods, another party store. We went to Oh Darling. I got the most amazing things that I cannot wait to show you guys later. I'm dropping Destiny off, but I'll see you in like 4 weeks. Pretty cool. Yeah. Thanksgiving. And then
See you in 4 weeks.
see you in 4 weeks, huh?
Ready to feast.
Ready to feast.
Bye, y'all.
You're doing the thing. I'm doing the
You're doing the thing.
Show you guys what I got from Oh Darling. I got the cutest little sparkly bag right here. I am so obsessed. And then these high-waisted leather pants, and they have this cool little like zipper slit in the front. Obsessed with that as well. And then just this button down top, it has cute little like angels on it. I thought this was beautiful. And then I'm so into this color, and the detailing is so cool. It has like these little holes right here, but that's just what I got from there. And the little bags are so cute as well.
Was up late night ballin', counting up hundreds by the thousand.